Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some USB device not recognized error in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that in the search box type power plan, click on edit power plan, click on advanced, change advanced power settings. Select the USB settings. Select the USB selective suspended settings. Click on disable. Click on apply and OK button. After that, restart your computer. I'm sure that your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. Select a universal serious bus controller. Select the USB root hub. Right click on update driver and search automatically for driver. Close it. If your problem is still, then you can try a USB root hub driver. Right click on update driver. Select a browse my computer from driver. Select a let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select it. Click on next button. Now you can see that window has successfully updated your driver. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. Select the USB service bus controller. Select the USB root hub, right click and uninstall the driver. When you uninstall the driver, then after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager and select a USB service bus controller. Select a Genec USB hub. Right click on update driver and search automatically from driver from online. If your problem is not fixed, then you can select a Genec USB hub, right click and update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick list available on driver my computer. Select it. Click on next button. After doing this step, Windows has successfully updated your driver. Click on close button. If your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your device manager, open a device manager and go to your universal bus controllers. Select a Genec USB hub, right click and uninstall the driver. After uninstalling that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.